everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. Today I've got another party hair tutorial for you guys and I've teamed up with none other than L'Oreal Hair. Now I don't know if you know that they recently launched some hair makeup which I've used before and I absolutely love it. It's so fun to be really creative and experimental with your hair tutorials. However, they've just launched some new colours. They've launched some shimmer shades for Christmas. They have got these four. Ta-da! They've got white gold, copper gold, silver gold and pink gold hair makeup shimmers. Yes, I've just tried it in this tutorial. I'm going to be using one of these colours. I've used the silver gold. Now some of these are for blonde hair, some of these are for brunette, so make sure you check the packaging before you use it. They only do that because some of the blonde colours just don't really show up on brunette hair, so it's best to use these ones here. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm super pleased with how this tutorial's turned out. I'm really excited to show you guys how I've used the silver gold hair makeup shimmer in this tutorial. It's so exciting. These are absolutely perfect for Christmas. Just so nice to like add an extra bit of sparkle to your outfit by just adding a little bit of shimmer to your hair. You can use these in so many different ways. Like I've done this kind of creative updo, but you can just wear your hair down, give your hair a bit of a wave and then add these to different strands. Like you will have so much fun playing around with your hair for the party season this year. Anyway, let's get on to the tutorial. So to start the tutorial, we're going to be giving our hair a bit of a wave. So I'm going to be taking it out of my ponytail and I usually section it into 3 sections. So I kind of split my hair in the middle. And then once I've got my first section ready, we can start waving. So I grab some straighteners and then all I do is grab a strand. I pop the straighteners in like so. I twist my wrist, I pull down. I twist it back, I pull down. I twist it again and I pull down. And I'm left with this really funky wave. Right, let's get waving the rest of my hair. Got a bit of a wave, we can get on with the rest of the tutorial. I love giving it a wave because it just adds a bit of texture, volume, and yeah, just really love this style. This is kind of my everyday look that I tend to go for. So we're going to be sectioning our hair. I'm going to be doing a braid down here, and then a bubble braid down the center. So we need 3 sections. I'm going to be braiding, so I'm going to be doing a little mini Dutch braid down here and down here. My 2 braids are done and they're looking super cute. Now we're going to move on to the middle section where I'm going to be creating a bubble braid. now all in place. What do you guys think? I love it. It is so funky, but I feel like something's missing, and I think you guys know what. Glitter. Glitter is missing. It's Christmas, New Year's Eve, the party season. You've got to have a bit of glitter in your hair. Come on. You want to sparkle the whole night away, and Colorista have the perfect product for you. Shimmer hair makeup. Oh my god, I'm literally so excited to try this out for you guys and test it with this hair tutorial today. It comes in 4 different colours. We've got white gold, copper gold, silver gold and pink gold. Some of these are specific for blondes, some of them are specific for brunettes. Just make sure you check the packaging before you use it. And yeah, basically this is hair makeup, so it's not dye or anything like that. It's literally a 1 day wear. It comes out with 1 shampoo wash, and yeah, you might feel a little bit of texture on your hair when you use this product. I'm really excited to try it out today. So I've done my hair tutorial first because I'm going to be putting some of the shimmer hair makeup on top of my braids, but you can just wear your hair down and pull different streaks and mix and match with all the different shimmer colours that they've got. Yeah, you can be so experimental with this and have so much fun with it. Let's get shimmering my hair up. I'm going to be using the silver gold colour on my hair today just because I think it will match my makeup amazingly. I've got like shimmery sparkly silver eyes, and yeah, I'm really excited to try this out. This one is specific for blondes. You can use it on brunette hair, but it does say that it might not show up very well, so you're probably best using the white gold if you want that sort of silvery goldy kind of colour. Let's get it on. So it comes in a little tube like this. You can put it on with your hands if you want. It doesn't stain or anything like that, but I think I'm going to be using a brush because I really want the colour just to be on the braid. So guys, this is the finished look. What do you think? Super pleased with how the product worked on my hair. It literally looks amazing. I was thinking it was going to come out more like actual glitter, but I really love the fact that it's actually come out silver with like proper shimmer and sparkles within the colour. It's honestly so cool. It's such a fab idea just to like add a little bit of shimmer to your hair for the Christmas party season. It's shown up so well on my kind of greeny hair. Really amazed by it. I absolutely love it. So pleased. Well guys, if you want to get your hands on the Colorista hair makeup in all the shimmer colours, then I've popped a link below for you to shop. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and yeah, I will see you guys here in another video very soon. Peace out.